Hi everyone. I'm sometimes asked how I start my abstract paintings. Well, to be honest, there's no great plan to it. I just make random marks on the paper and then start to fill in the shapes left by those marks. Then gradually, as the painting progresses, I paint over some marks, create new ones, and find that the painting is starting to develop by itself. I generally only use 3 colours plus black and white. This, I find, gives a good colour range. I like to pick colours that don't always go together, so perhaps they clash. To get around this, I make a small mix of those 3 colours I've chosen, and it usually ends up a brownish, muddy colour. And then I add small amounts of this colour to the mixes I've made of those 3 colours. Say I've got a lemon and a green. I mix those together, but I don't really want it so garish or lemony. I add a bit of this muddy colour and it just slightly knocks the edge off that clashing colour. So it has the effect of harmonising the colours so that they end up working well together. The colours that I used in this painting are green, gold, crimson, cerulean blue, plus Mars black and titanium white. The fine liners that you'll see me use are filled with white and black acrylic paint, which I've thinned down to an inky consistency. I find they're just as good as using a pen on some occasions, so I like the marks they create. I've used pens, a micron pen, which is a black one, and pencils, just a graphite and a Stabilo all in black, which is wonderful because if you put water over it, it activates and you get some lovely effects with that. This painting took me 2 days to finish, so I've speeded up the video, as you can tell, so it doesn't take too much of your time. If you don't like the music, that's fine. My choice might not be yours. Just turn it down or mute it. I really don't mind. I'm still trying to find the best lighting for my videos, so apologise if it's not brilliant. But thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, perhaps like and subscribe, and I'll make some more of them. Okay, take care, and thanks for watching. Bye.